starting off with a clean, fresh face because it's important to wash and remove dead skin cells, and it also makes you feel better to awaken your skin. This is my favorite moisturizer for the days when my skin is feeling extra dull. This is the St. Ives Timeless Skin Collagen Elastin Facial Moisturizer, and I'm applying a generous amount gently all over my face, massaging in to my pores and bringing it down my neck to prevent premature aging. Next, we have to moisturize the lips. This is the Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. It's one of my favorites, but any lip balm will work. This one is just my favorite because of the smell. And it moisturizes really well, which is what we need right now. Moving on to the face, I'm using the Porefesional Face Primer by Benefit. I'd prefer to use a primer that is a bit more hydrating, like the Makeup Forever Hydrating Primer, but I have yet to repurchase that one, so I'm just using what I have. This primer will help fill in your pores and provide a smooth canvas. I'm using my finger to push the primer into my pores and help it absorb into the skin. Skipping foundation today, I'll only be using concealer. This is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade Medium, which matches my skin complexion. I'm only applying this to some parts of my face, the dark circles under my eyes, and some redness around my nose. A little bit to the redness in between my eyes, just a few spots here and there, and mostly around my nose because that is where it gets really red. Gently patting and smoothing it in with my finger. I'm also going to smooth some over my eyelids to conceal redness and veining. Now, to set all that concealer, I will be using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Ultra Definition Powder Foundation in the shade Medium Light Cool. Woo! That was a mouthful. This powder foundation helps to prevent the concealer from creasing, and it offers a tiny bit more coverage. I will be using the Morphe RG6 to place this product all over the areas where I placed the concealer initially, and I'll just be blending it out over my entire face just to provide an even canvas. This brush allows me to place and blend the powder evenly over the concealer and blend over other areas of my face. I prefer this over a liquid foundation because it's much more natural, much easier to wear, and much easier to wash off before getting back into bed. Because quite honestly, that's what's most important here. I don't want to have to wash off a full face of makeup right before getting back into bed, especially when I'm not feeling well. So this is just very simple, quick, and easy, which is the whole idea of this video. Now for the eyebrows, we are not filling them in or carving them out. I'm simply just adding a small amount of the Anastasia Dip Brow in Soft Brown on a number 7 brush. I'm simply just adding a small amount to define the eyebrows, just a tiny bit. Nothing crazy. Again, like this entire look is very simple, and I just brush them out just to blend out the product. And here you can tell the tiny difference. It just makes your eyebrow look a little more defined and Just like you did a little something, but not too much. An optional step is highlighter. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in the shade Champagne. I love this formula, particularly because it's a cream to powder. It's also long lasting and really beautiful on the skin. I'm using the e.l.f. small stipple brush to apply to the tops of my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and a tiny bit to my brow bones. Adding highlight to a simple look is an easy way to bump your look up and make it look as if you put a ton of effort into your routine, even when you really didn't. Highlight really makes your face pop, and it just makes you look alive, and to be quite honest, it makes me feel a lot better, especially when I'm sick. Quick curl of the lashes with my Tarte eyelash curler, and I'm going to apply several coats of the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. This mascara lengthens, and the waterproof formula helps keep my curl lasting all day. I love how dark this mascara is. It's not, because not very many are as black as this one. It really helps to make your lashes look fuller, and it makes your eyes look a lot more open. And don't be afraid to add as many coats as you feel that you need. I go a little crazy on the mascara when I am not wearing false lashes, so sorry not sorry. And don't forget to apply several coats to your lower lashes to finish off the makeup. I'm number one at neglecting my hair when I'm not feeling well, so I'm just gonna do a quick braid. If I did decide to heat style, I'd probably just straighten it, but this was quick and easy. So I'm just brushing through my hair, parting it a little off center, just off to one side, and just making a quick little Dutch braid just straight down my back. Honestly, it's very simple, it's very easy, and it looks cute. So that is it for this quick and simple look. This is my usual routine when I've spent many days sick in bed and I'm finally feeling a little better, or at least enough to put myself together. So if you are feeling sick right now, I feel you, I'm right there with you. I hope you feel much better. Just get your rest, take your medicine, and drink tons and tons of water. So with that all being said, thank you so much for watching. All the products will be listed down below, as well as all my social media links. So make sure to follow me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!